Access the price list editor. Select a block of items. Activate the Modify Selected Block function. Assign a prefix to the rate codes of the selected items. Modify the belonging chapters. Assign the percentage ratio, the unit of measurement, etc. Decide whether to print the selected items in the PL. If the items have been created with the PriMus installations module, you can assign the quality mark, discounts, markups, etc. to the selected block. If, on the contrary, the selected items are generated from a rate analysis, you can define the percentages and the rounding on the dedicated page. By confirming, the choices made are simultaneously applied to the selected block of items.